I am back at Universal today and it is so super hot. So I think I'm gonna go ride all of the water rides today over at Islands and then maybe just check out some of the construction because I honestly don't think it's gonna open anytime soon, but we can go look at it. So let's head in. So before we head in, I wanted to check out the chocolate factory. It is coming along pretty quickly, I think. They changed the name of the chocolate factory to the Chocolate Emporium. I am not a fan of the name change, and I really hope that we can keep calling it the Chocolate Factory because I know I'm going to. But it doesn't look like there's too much change happening. Like the framework for the entrance does look like they're definitely working on that, but this tower over here where the clock used to be does not look like there's any change at all. So I don't know, I'm thinking probably a month or two. Look! The nets are up for Hulk. We are getting so close. I'm so excited. You can see it really well from right here. Look at that launch tunnel. Oh my god, it is so scary. But yeah, I think it's gonna be done pretty soon. It said on the announcement this past week that it was like late summer. So I'm thinking like July, August. How convenient! They seem to have put up a barricade blocking me from going up to the top of Camp Jurassic to see Kong, but I don't see any work actually being done, so So then I guess I'll just try going this way. Yeah, it's completely blocked off from every angle. Cannot get there. Well, that's convenient, isn't it? Also, this rope course is really hard to do in flip-flops. It's time to go on a Jurassic River adventure. That was probably the weirdest experience I've ever had on that ride. The girl behind me was hammered drunk, and she slipped and fell getting on and slipped and fell getting off, and that was just, it was weird. It was a very weird experience. Going on Dudley's and I'm probably going to get soaked. Random thought though, if this whole Toon Lagoon area does get rethemed for a Nintendo Land, which I've heard but I don't know, this ride would be an awesome Donkey Kong with the barrel going over the waterfall. That'd be really cool.
Say, there goes a woman with a pretty chin. Sure. Back in some night,
That is definitely one of my absolute favorite water rides. And I got pretty soaked. Now I think I'm gonna head over to Popeye and Blue Nose Bars and get completely drenched. A couple videos ago I mentioned that there used to be those the boats that would take you from port of entry throughout the different lands and islands, and this is actually the boat stop or like dock over here by Popeye. I just wish that they would bring this back because it seems like such a cool idea. on the boat. I'm pretty sure that I was at like the one seat that you get soaked. I am completely drenched. I think that I'm just gonna go dry off and go have something for dinner. And I will probably see you guys back here next weekend. Because I don't have any plans to get over here and I've got to work all week. But I will see you next weekend and hopefully Kong will open soon. Thanks for watching, guys.